Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best impact wrench is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. This air-powered beast is designed to make quick work of stubborn nuts and bolts, saving you time and effort. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, construction projects, or industrial maintenance, a reliable impact wrench can be a game changer, making tough jobs a breeze. Number 5. ACDelco ANI 405 A 1/2-inch Pneumatic Impact Wrench Toolkit. This is the ACDelco ANI 405A, a heavy-duty impact wrench. It delivers impressive power with its twin hammer mechanism. You'll find it's a reliable tool for tough jobs. With 500 ft-lbs of torque, this wrench can handle demanding tasks. It's designed to provide the force you need to get the job done efficiently. It ensures that you can tackle various projects with ease. The 5 speed settings give you control over the tool's power. You can adjust it to match the requirements of your project. This feature makes it versatile for different applications. Built for heavy-duty use, this tool is durable and long-lasting. It's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. It's a great choice for those who need a reliable impact wrench. You can find the ACDelco ANI 405A on Amazon. It's easily accessible and ready to be shipped to your location. Get yours today and experience the power and performance. What we like. This wrench is built for the toughest jobs. Its twin hammer mechanism delivers serious power, while the 5 speed settings give you ultimate control. If you're tackling heavy-duty automotive work or industrial applications, this is the tool for you. What people say. This got them off easy. Solid tool that worked masterfully. It works fine for what I need it for, rotating tires at home. Number 4. DEWALT DWMT 7077412-inch Drive Impact Wrench. This is the DEWALT DWMT 70774 Impact Wrench. It's designed to tackle tough jobs with ease. This tool is a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. With a maximum torque of 600 ft-lb, it helps break free fasteners. It provides the power needed to get the job done quickly and efficiently. This makes it ideal for various applications. Experience high-speed fastening with 7,300 RPM. The high RPM ensures quick and efficient work. It allows you to complete tasks faster. The twin hammer mechanism delivers powerful and consistent performance. This feature enhances the tool's durability and effectiveness. It ensures reliable operation. The adjustable power regulator gives you control. You can adjust the power output to match the task. This feature enhances versatility. The bottom handle exhaust directs air away from the user. This design improves comfort during use. It helps maintain a clean workspace. What we like. This impact wrench boasts impressive torque for breaking free stubborn fasteners. The adjustable power regulator lets you fine-tune the output. If you're looking for a balance of power and control, this is a great choice. What people say. The impact wrench has a good amount of power. It works great for removing lug nuts. This impact wrench is a beast. Number 3. VEVOR 1/2-inch Air Impact Wrench Kit. This VEVOR impact wrench packs a punch with its twin hammer mechanism, delivering a massive 1,400 foot-pounds of torque. It's perfect for tough jobs like auto repairs and maintenance, providing the power you need to get the job done. Despite its power, this impact wrench is surprisingly lightweight at only 4.6 pounds. This design reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably and efficiently for extended periods. Forget about complicated maintenance. This wrench features a convenient lubrication adapter, ensuring the tool is always properly lubricated. This extends the life of the tool, so you can rely on it for years to come. Take control of your projects with the 4-position forward, reverse and power management regulator. Easily switch between modes and adjust the torque output to handle various tasks with precision. The kit comes with an 11-piece CRV steel impact socket set and a 5-extension bar. These high-hardness components are built to withstand torque changes. Plus, a carrying case is included for easy storage and portability. What we like. This VEVOR impact wrench packs a punch with its high torque output. Despite its power, it's surprisingly lightweight, reducing fatigue. If you need a powerful tool that's easy to handle, and comes with a complete set of sockets, this is the one. What people say. With running a 1-2 impact nearly 8 hours a day, a couple months was the expectation. But after a year of raw abuse it was still going. The size each is a nice feel, weight is good, and the torque speed is great. The VEVOR 1-2 drive gun easily removed these Bud-style lug nuts. Even had an adapter on the socket to jump the size up to a 3-4 drive. Had no problems breaking the lug nuts loose when other 1-2 drive guns failed. Number 2. Chicago Pneumatic CP7732 1-2-inch air impact wrench. This air impact wrench delivers a maximum torque of 450 ft-lbs and 9,000 rpm. It ensures fast and efficient performance, making it perfect for heavy-duty applications. The compact and lightweight pistol handle design makes it comfortable to use. It reduces operator fatigue, even during extended tasks. This tool features a single hammer mechanism. It provides reliable operation and enhanced safety in demanding work environments. It's ideal for automotive repair, maintenance, and assembly tasks. It is designed for tasks requiring high torque output and precision. With a 1-2-inch drive size and a single hammer mechanism, this tool is built to last. It ensures long-lasting performance in various industrial settings. What we like. This Chicago pneumatic wrench offers speed and power. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended tasks. If you value both performance and comfort, you'll appreciate how this tool feels in your hand. What people say. The wrench fits well into just about any place you can imagine and its low weight does not wear you out. Wrench broke every bolt loose without a hitch. From taking off the tires, shocks, control arms, tie rods inside and outside, ball joints, and hubs it worked flawlessly. This includes using on it the seat press for the ball joint removal and installation, which is a bear. Good powerful impact wrench for tight locations. Es pequeña pero bastante útil y apta, igual sin problemas pistolas del mismo torque sin más grandes y estorbosas. Number 1. WORKPRO 1-2-inch air impact wrench. Introducing the WORKPRO 1-2-inch air impact wrench. This tool is designed for heavy-duty tasks, delivering impressive power to tackle tough jobs with ease. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This wrench boasts a maximum loosening torque of 880 ft-lbs and a working torque of 550 ft-pounds. With a free speed of 7,500 rpm, it's ideal for heavy maintenance and fastener work. It makes your work more efficient. Powered by air, this pneumatic wrench handles all kinds of heavy-duty work. The rear exhaust keeps air and oil away from your work. Remember to use sealant tape and add oil regularly for optimal performance. Featuring an FR exchange knob, you can easily switch between forward and reverse rotation. Adjustable torque settings allow you to customize the power for various applications. It's designed to meet your specific needs. With a comfortable and contoured handle, this wrench offers superior handling. At 7 to 1-2 inches long and weighing 4.85 pounds, it's well balanced and easy to control. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. This 1-2-inch air impact wrench is perfect for mechanical repairs and construction. It provides the power needed to install and remove stubborn bolts and lug nuts. This tool is a must-have for any toolbox. What we like. This WORKPRO impact wrench delivers pro-level performance with its powerful torque. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you are looking for a versatile tool for various tasks, from automotive repair to construction, you should consider it. What people say. It worked very well for me the first time. I was a little hesitant to purchase with the negative reviews. Either those people weren't using it correctly or had a defective unit. I had no problem breaking loose lugs on the first try. I went to the compressor and I had the regulator set way below 100 psi. I increased it to 100 and it worked even better. The video is breaking one loose after I set the regulator to 100 psi. Bought to replace rear struts on expedition. Made light work of the 406-foot lb and 266-foot lb bolts. I had to replace my wheel bearings on my truck, and struggled with removing the axle nut. This thing worked great. It took me just a few seconds to remove the axle nut. The other seized up bolts came right out as well. Very happy with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.